मात्र हुनुभएको छ। So once again, good morning everyone in mathematics class of class 11. So we are at the final stage of this academic session for class 11, and we are having our final examination from 7th Asar of this coming month. So as a part of mathematics, we have finished our curriculum, and some model questions will be discussed today. So let me share the screen. Okay, this is the model that is given by Curriculum Development Center, CDC. So we have a grid of 2077 mathematics, whose code is 007 for class 11. So this is the final model questions that you will be getting. In this pattern, you will be getting the questions for your final examination, which is from this Asar 7 onwards. That is the Monday. So we are having our final exam of class 11. So I would like to request all the students to practice in such a way that you will have multiple choice questions in the Google form, where there will be 11 questions. So each question carry 1 marks. Then theoretical portion, short answer questions and long answer questions. There will be 2 parts, to group A, group B and group C. Group B contains 8 questions and each question carry 5 marks, which equals to 40 marks. That will be in the PDF form. And long answer questions and short answer questions will be in PDF format, and the screen will be shared by respective teacher for your examination. So long answer questions means there are 3 questions and each question carry 8 marks, and where your interpretation should be there, my dear students. So you can see here the pattern. Appropriate extra time will be provided for the handicapped students, and that is not for you people. So questions should be prepared by giving the context, and on one question may have more than 1 sub questions. It means you may get define proper vectors and apply some technical part on it, or some calculation, or finding the angle between 2 vectors, like that. As for example, define singular matrix. Other example, define singular matrix and the forward value of x. This does not have its inverse, like that questions. That means sub questions will be asked for you. Application on higher ability questions can be made by relating the other content areas. So it may be the critical thinking one. So that will be also the part of whatever we have taught. According to that, the questions will be there. So now today's part is all students will complete this model question 2077 of grade 11. Right now you will be starting this, and how much you know, or which questions you have already known, that you will be doing. And as a part of multiple choice question, all questions must be copied, and even the options must be copied right now in your copy. And you will be doing whatever you don't know, just you will make it circle, and at last we will ask it and we will solve it. So these are the questions, and we will go to group B also. And if you know 12 number, you will do right now. If 13 number, then you will do 14A, then you will do B. You will do whatever you don't know, or you make it circle, and you make it ready, so that we can again discuss it. And even you have in today afternoon class. So our target is right today, tomorrow we will be completing this one part. So I would like to request all the students to have a let me give you a screenshot of this, so that it will be easy for you to work on it. Let me make it small. Okay, up to 7 is here. So I'd like to request one of the students to screenshot this, so that it will be easy, and please send in messenger. Okay, please have a screenshot of this. Arya, done? Okay, thank you. Tashi, thank you very much. So let us go to 7 now, 8, 9, okay, 7 onwards again. Okay, from here again one screenshot. So whatever you have learned in class 10, same probability related to that, the question is there. Limit, we have already taught. Derivative, we have taught. Newton-Raphson methods, and so on. Whatever you don't know, please do not worry. So we'll guide you today afternoon also, and we'll revise it again. We have 1 week still left. So in this week, we will be completing 3 sets model questions of mathematics, and we'll be preparing for our final examination. So let me go to now 11 onwards. Okay, here we have. Okay, please have a screenshot of this also. Group B up to 15, 12, 13, 14, 15 are here. So function 1 is there, a sequence series is there, and properties of triangle is there, statistics is there, measure viscousness. So up to 15 it is here, it is shown here. So each question carry here 5 marks. So you can see there just one marks line at the end in question 12. What is the algebraic nature of the function? Write the name of the locus of the curve, write the vertex of the function, write any one property for sketching the curve, write the domain of the function. Okay, then let me go to next from 15 onwards. Okay, please have a screenshot of this. Define different types of discontinuity of a function. Also write the condition for increasing, decreasing, and concavity of the function. 2 plus 3. Evaluate, integration part is there. 18 number, trapezoidal rule, and evaluating using trapezoidal rule. I would like to request you all also to go and see the book because you have got 2 books plus book examples are very, very important. So please have a glance of that, and you need to do that whatever is done. Question number 19 is sine law, and use it to prove Lemie's theorem. Then in option you have a decline in the price of a good X by ₹5 causes an increase in its demand by 20 units to 50 units. The new price is X is 15. Calculate elasticity of demand. Elasticity of demand is negative. What does it mean? That means please just go through your book examples. It is also given there. So next is group C. This is the final one. So I'd like to request Tashi also again to have a screenshot of this. And this question number 20 that belongs to, you have seen there, the factors of the expression omega cube minus 1 are omega minus 1, omega square plus omega plus 1, if omega cube minus 1 equals to 0. Now you know that these are the imaginary parts that I have taught last time. So cube roots of unity, these are related to cube roots of unity. Apply same method here, and you have to prove it, try it. So 21 number, single equation of pair of lines given is there, and you have to find the equation of straight line represented by this single equations. That means you have to separate the equations. That is 2-degree equation. Now you have to make 2 separate single degree equation. Are the pair of lines represented by the given equation passes through the origin? Then you need to check whether the equations that you have obtained in question number 21I are passing through origin or not. That means 0, 0. You can test it and find the point of intersection of the pair of lines. That means you know very well. You have to substitute, or you can eliminate. You can do by any methods, but do not try here graphical method because it carry 2 marks. And if 3 vectors A, B, and C are mutually perpendicular unit vectors in space, then write a relation between them. Very tricky questions, plus you know the lengthy questions are there, so you have to be very much careful on this. So distinguish between derivative and antiderivative of a function. You have to give the definition. So it carry 1 marks means you can give just definition of derivative and antiderivative. Write the physical meaning and illustrate with example in your context. So you can see the interpretation. Find the differential coefficient of log sine x with respect to x. So you can make that sine x capital small letter for trigonometric ratio, yes. And find the area bounded by the y, by the line y axis. The curve x square equals to 4 times y minus 2, and the line y equals to 11. So from here, let us start, which you know, let us do that at first. Then further we'll discuss in coming class plus in our revision classes. So now it's a time, my dear students, turn the pages of your book and be ready with your copy, calculator, and you can see the questions from the messenger group, and we will start doing this now. So let us start, dear students. So we'd like to thank the Celebration Quad class 11 students. So you are having your effective online classes, and we are at the end of this session. So thank you, you all. So let us start doing the classwork.